So what are a few tips and tricks and strategies that you can use as you are having a solo episode and especially an interview episode? What can you be doing while you're sitting there with a guest to make sure that your listener isn't just hearing two people having a conversation and things going in one ear and out the other? What are the things you can be doing to make them not doze off? Here's a few tips, tricks, and strategies to allow you to do that. Number one, as you're having a conversation with, let's say, your guest, think about it like this. There's two ways to think about it. You either think about it as, I'm just having a one-on-one conversation with this one guest. Or you can think, me and my guest are having a conversation with my listener. Think about it again. Either I'm having a conversation with my guest, or my guest and I are having a conversation with a listener. Which way do you think is better? Which way do you think is going to support your podcast listener to make sure that they are coming with you along for the ride? And the answer is not that you are just going to have a one-on-one conversation with a guest and that your listener becomes a fly on the wall. Instead, come over to this other side where you and your guest are helping your listener. And your guest often forgets that they have listeners on the other side. Your guest often only thinks about you. And in fact, sometimes, in some cases, it's easier for that guest to feel comfortable, like not nervous when they just have a conversation with you.